Normally the water here, the ocean, reflects the sky. If the sky is steel gray like it is today, the water would be the same. I walk up here and it is beige, it is brown, like earth, but then I remember, wow, the sewage spill.
I've been here for 15 years and I've never seen the color that dirty and the smell this bad. So it's not just your normal runoff, it's sewage released into the Tijuana rivers.
Actually, well, I was at school today and people, I came out of my classroom after we were doing something and I just came out and I was like, what's that smell? And everybody just started telling me it's the smell of the ocean. It smelled like, I don't know, but it kind of smelled like poop kind of. But I mean, yeah, it smelled really bad.
Not to be left out, dozens of angry South Bay residents packed a meeting Thursday, concerned about the more than 143 million gallons of raw sewage that contaminated nearby water.
This problem won't be solved unless the public gets engaged, and that's what we're doing tonight. Surfrider and Wild Coaster here, getting people to write letters to elected officials.
Demanding a bi-national investigation into this spill, and it worked. The International Boundaries Water Committee says they will launch a 30-day intensive look.
Residents on both sides of the border just want the same thing, and that's clean water.
The leak began February 6th and continued for 17 days, according to a report by the International Commission.
Really upset about the lack of action, the lack of clarity, the lack of communication, and really the lack of respect to the people that live in this area.
The sewage, which came from Mexico, slowly began seeping into the river and made its way 20 miles up the coast through Coronado.
This town absolutely stinks. That's the only way to put it. It was the horrible smell. We've got all that trash coming in.
The city of IB filed an official complaint on February 15th. IB's mayor wants to see the U.S. government investigate what caused the spill.
Investigation is going to move forward. We need to fix this problem once and for all.
And why his city's residents weren't notified of the contamination.
We will not tolerate this anymore. What happens if one of these beautiful kids gets hepatitis C, MRSA, meningitis over this?
The committee says the leak was likely caused by sewer construction in Tijuana gone wrong.
It's unacceptable. The fact that no one was notified violated all kinds of international protocols and treaties, so we need to make sure that doesn't happen again.